Meaning of invariant.
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 Invariant. The term invariant refers to something that remains unchanged or constant regardless of certain conditions or circumstances. It is often used in mathematics and physics to describe principles or properties that are immune to variations or transformations. In computer programming, an invariant can refer to a condition that must always be true at a certain point in a program's execution. For example, an algorithm may have an invariant stating that a certain variable must always be positive, and the program must ensure that this condition is maintained throughout its operation.